Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. I am the Fire Escape Griller, and today's video was actually supposed to be released several weeks ago for Easter, but it took me forever to get around to the editing, so I apologize for that. And in today's video, we're gonna fire up the Weber Q and roast a boneless leg of lamb right here on the Fire Escape. Today's recipe begins with garlic. I'm taking a few cloves and chopping them in half lengthwise. Here we have a 2.55 pound or 1.2 kilogram boneless leg of lamb. I'm just going to take it out of the packaging, and as you can see, it's already trussed, which is very helpful. The next thing I'm going to do is poke some holes into the lamb using a paring knife, or a steak knife in this case, and take those cloves of garlic and stuff them down into the holes. You could also use fresh rosemary here if you want to. So you're going to want to make these incisions, I don't know, every few inches apart. And then you want to flip it over and do the other side until all your cloves of garlic are inside the lamb. Next thing we're going to do is hit the outside with some olive oil, some good sea salt or kosher salt, some fresh ground black pepper, and my favorite seasoning of all, herbs de Provence. And pat those seasonings in. Make sure you season all sides of the lamb. And we are ready for the grill. Out here on the fire escape, I'm going to preheat the Weber Q with a smoke pouch filled with wood chips. Then after about 10 or 12 minutes, you can see we're getting a little bit of smoke out of the wood pouch. And now we're going to add our roasting shield, and then of course our roasting rack. The leg of lamb goes right on top. Make sure you set your gas to medium heat, and then close the lid and let the Weber Q do its thing. Here we are now at the 15-minute mark, and I'm getting way too much smoke. I don't want my neighbors to call the fire department, and I really don't want my lamb to be that smoky, so I'm going to go ahead and remove the smoke pouch. Every 20 minutes or so, I like to baste the leg of lamb with a mixture of olive oil, salt, pepper, and some of that herbs de Provence. So this roast now has been on for an hour and 25 minutes. It's looking pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and take the temperature. And as you can see, I did not get the thermometer into the view of the camera. But please take my word for it. The roast is now registering 145 degrees Fahrenheit, which is right around 62, 63 degrees Celsius. And we're gonna go ahead and pull this roast inside. I've been letting the lamb rest here for about 10 minutes, covered lightly in tin foil, letting all those juices flow back through the meat. Now taking some kitchen shears and removing that string. Definitely do not discard those juices. You're going to want those. And now let's cut up this leg of lamb. You can see that roasted garlic inside the lamb itself. This is so good. Go ahead and give this a taste. The moment of truth. I really love lamb, and this is absolutely delicious. Boneless leg of lamb, roasted on a fire escape in Brooklyn, New York. So that's how I make a boneless leg of lamb on the Weber Q. This would be a perfect recipe with some roasted potatoes and rosemary and maybe even some applesauce. I'll even leave a link to a mint yogurt, I think it'll be right up here, that I made in one of my previous videos. That was absolutely delicious. Give this recipe a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. Leave a like, subscribe, and of course, keep on grilling.